In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to one name on Facebook 2026 or set a single name on your Facebook profile. To get started, open Facebook and log into your account. Once you're inside the app or website, go to Settings and Privacy, then open Settings. This is where Facebook keeps the profile and account options you'll need for changing your name. Next, look for the Account Center section and tap See More in Account Center. From there, select Profiles, then choose your Facebook profile. If you have more than one profile connected, make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward because name settings are managed per profile. After that, open the Name option. This is the section where you can enter the name you want to use on your profile. Type in the name carefully and double check the spelling before continuing. Since this change affects how people see you across Facebook, it's a good idea to review it slowly rather than rushing through. Now, it's important to understand Facebook's naming requirements. In some cases, Facebook may require both a first and last name, and it may reject names that do not meet its standards. You should use the name you're actually known by and avoid adding symbols, unusual capitalization, titles, or anything misleading. This part is especially important because even if you want a single name profile, approval depends on Facebook's current policy and the rules tied to your account. Once you've entered the name, tap Review Change. Facebook may show you different display options for how the name will appear. Choose the format you prefer, then continue. If prompted, enter your Facebook password to confirm that you're authorized to make the update. After that, tap Save Changes. If Facebook does not allow a single name on your account, do not try to bypass the restriction by using fake information or changing account location settings. That can create problems with your profile and may go against Facebook's policies. Instead, check Facebook's Help Center to review the naming requirements that apply to your account and region. Some users may see different name options depending on where their account is based and how it is set up. Finally, return to your profile and verify how your name appears. This lets you confirm whether the change was applied successfully. Also, remember that Facebook may limit how often you can change your name, so make sure you're satisfied with it before saving, and that's how to check whether you can use a single name on your Facebook profile in 2026.